So as you guys can see here, this tail light had a tiny little crack right at the bottom, just enough to catch your eye on it. So what we're going to do is take this tail light off the 118. Luckily this one's in perfect condition, so let's get to changing them. So I started off by removing this black plastic cap, and that gave me access to the 10mm bolt that was securing the tail light to the car itself. So once I got that loosened up, it was a little bit of a wiggle, and then the tail light did eventually come out. So same situation here, removing the black plastic cap to get to that 10mm bolt. Once I've loosened that, then I'll be able to change the old tail light with the new tail light. So the old one comes off, there you can see it's got that small little crack on the side, and the new one goes on.